YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are doing a haul video. I know it's been a really long time, but here we are. One haul is from Michael's, and the other is from Spellbind. Shop. What is the name of that place? I forget the name. I'll give you the name in a minute. Scrapbook.com. There we go. Scrapbook.com. Okay, so we'll start off with Michael's. I got a budget planner for the mini happy planner. You just insert it into your current happy planner. And it's 208 pieces. It comes with lots and lots of budget stuff. Lots of tabs. Let's see here. It's got 2, 4, 6, 7 tabs. And this is savings and goals. Cute little dollar sign. Your monthly calendar. Bill pay. Expense tracker. A few sheets of those. Budget review. And then you do it all again the next month. So you get that for every month. And then in the back, it has Live Well. The monthly calendar there, expense tracker and bill pay, budget review, and then you get some stickers. Cute. And then you get these. And then you get a little pocket folder. That's nice. Alright, so that is our budget planner for the mini happy planner. Then I got these notepads. They fit in the mini happy planner also. They got, oh no, they got stuck to each other. Oh, okay. There. So you get this colorful one, and then you get a polka dot one. Very cute. And then I got mini happy planner, or this is classic size stickers. But I wanted the, this is called the quotes. So this is really cute. A little washi. Some more quotes. I like those. And there's a few sheets of those. Yeah. Very nice. There are 427 pieces in this one. Okay, this is from Scrapbook.com. And I got the crocodile. This one is the 2-in-1 punch, the corner chomper. I've been wanting to get this one. I got the scallop and the stub, but I've been wanting the corner chomper because I gave my Fiskars corner chomper to my mother, and then she gave it to my daughter. Everybody needed a corner chomper. Let's see. This is supposed to show you what they are looking like when you do it. Let's get a piece of scrap paper. Let's give it a try. Give it a try. Now this side is okay, this side is a 1/2 inch. That's what that looks like. And then this is a 1/4 inch. Nice. Yay. Okay. Get rid of this. Okay, and then I got the Graphic 45 Flutter paper pack. I got an 8x8. Then I got a sticker sheet, tags and pockets rather. Yeah, tags and pockets. Excuse me. And I got the chipboard set. It's nice. And here's the sticker sheet. Okay. Then I got a 12x12 and another 12x12. This 12x12 is patterns and solids. So let's take a look at it. There's some ants. Oh, that's beautiful. I love the green. It's very pretty. The dark and the light. And here's some blue ants. Here's the pink. And that's it. So you get black, green, blue, and pink. Looks nice. And then this is the collection pack, and it comes with stickers also. So I guess I got double the stickers. Yeah, this is a sticker sheet. Let's see if this is the same. So, what do we got? Yeah, they're identical. So we got two of the same. I may save one for a giveaway. I think that's pretty cool. So here is our 12x12 papers called Flutter. That's beautiful. You get two of those. And then here's the back. Very pretty. The color on these are gorgeous. This one's gorgeous. Little bumblebee in the back. Bugs. And more bugs. Then we have these beautiful flowers. A few little bugs on here too. Pretty. I like the blue stripes. Cute. There's your black. There's your cards. And some strips. And then some more ants. This is gorgeous. Oh, that's pretty too. And the last one, very pretty. Different types of butterflies. And then yellow in the back. Like honeycombs. And that is the whole haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. I had a lot of fun. Like I said, it just seems like forever since I've done a haul. It's fun. Okay, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Have a great one. Bye.